That couple was standing very close to the diamond. Are you sure about that? Did you or your husband touch the case?
No, officer. We did not touch anything. Jake, we must find the real thief. Okay, Emma. I will help you. Good morning. I wonder what we will do today. Ha 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 ha! Good morning. I feel ready for a fun day.
Emma, Jake, it is time to get ready.
I am coming, Mom. I am ready.
I will make breakfast for everyone.
Good morning, David. Can I help?
Yes, thank you, Sophia.
Breakfast is ready. Eat slowly, everyone. It looks so tasty.
Now we should get ready for the museum.
I cannot wait to go.
Is everyone sitting safely?
Yes, Dad. We are ready. Will we see dinosaur bones? Maybe, Jake. Museums have many amazing things.
We are here. The museum looks big.
It looks amazing, Dad. I want to see dinosaur bones first. I want to see the shiny jewels. Wow, this lobby is beautiful.
Yes, this museum is full of history.
Welcome to the museum. I hope you enjoy your visit.
Thank you. This is our first family visit here.
Here is the museum map. Thank you. This will help us choose where to go first.
Let's look at the map first. There are so many rooms to visit.
Let's start with the first exhibition hall.
Yes, I want to see something amazing. Come on, let's go fast. Slowly, Jake. We should walk carefully. Wow, this vase is bigger than me.
People used pottery like this many years ago.
It is amazing that it is still here.
These old coins were used a long time ago.
They are so small and shiny. These coins are very old.
These swords and shields belong to old warriors.
Were the warriors very brave? Emma, you really like that crown. Yes, Mom. It looks so beautiful.
Look, Jake. This diamond is very famous.
It is so bright, Dad.
Everything is ready. Then we must wait for the right moment. This diamond is our most special exhibit. It is really beautiful. Please stand a little back from the case.
Of course. We will be careful.
What happened to the diamond?
I don't know, David. The alarm is so loud.
Officer, the diamond disappeared during the alarm. Tell me exactly who was near the case. That couple was standing very close to the diamond. Are you sure about that? Sir, were you standing near the diamond? Yes, but I did not touch anything. Ma'am, did you see anyone near the case?
No, officer. Everything happened so fast.
You were close to the diamond when it disappeared. Officer, I only looked at it. I did not take it. Did you or your husband touch the case?
No, officer. We did not touch anything.
Where are Emma and Jake?
I don't see them. I am worried.
Emma, why are they asking Mom and Dad? I think they believe Mom and Dad took the diamond. Jake, we must find the real thief. Okay, Emma, I will help you. Jake, something is wrong. Mom and Dad are innocent. Then who took the diamond?
No one must see where I am going. The diamond is safe in this bag.
Emma, they look very suspicious. Yes, we need to follow them quietly. If we find proof, we can save Mom and Dad. Okay. I will be quiet.
Good. No one followed us.
We must hide it quickly.
The diamond is inside this bag. Put it in the hidden room.
Emma, they have a bag. That bag may have the diamond. That is the diamond. They are the real thieves. Jake, now we have proof. We must tell the police. I must be very quiet. Jake, come back. We must hide. Did they see us?
I heard something near the door. Check the corridor. We cannot get caught.
They are leaving now. Good. Now we can go back safely. Come on, Jake. We must tell the police. Okay. I will stay close to you. Walk slowly, Jake. Do not make noise. Okay, Emma. I am being quiet. Where is the police officer? Look carefully. He must be near the Diamond Hall.
Something is missing. I need real proof.
Officer Reed, I know where the diamond is.
What? Show me right now.
This way. The hidden room is near that corridor.
Stay close to me and walk carefully.
This is the corridor, Officer Reed.
Good. Stay close to me.
The bag is behind that door.
I will check it now. Let me open this carefully. There is a bag here. You were right. This is the stolen diamond.
Now Mom and Dad can be free.
This is real proof. You both found the diamond.
So Mom and Dad did not take it.
I will keep this safe. Now we can catch the real thieves.
They may come back here soon.
Then we must be ready. We should check the bag again. I hope no one found it. I found the stolen diamond in your hidden room. Officer, this is a misunderstanding. Officer, I can explain this. The proof is in this bag. Officer, this is only a mistake. A stolen diamond is not a mistake. I need to go check the hall. No. You are staying here. The diamond proves who the real thieves are. We should not have done this. You are both under arrest for stealing the diamond. It is over. Stay here. The truth is clear now. We made a terrible mistake. You both were very brave.
Can Mom and Dad go free now? Mom and Dad are waiting in the Diamond Hall.
Let's go tell them the truth. I hope the children are safe.
just want them back with us.
We found the real thieves. You are both innocent.
Thank you, officer. Thank you for believing the truth.
Your children helped us find the real thieves.
Emma, Jake, you are safe.
I am so proud of you both.
We just wanted to help you.
Emma and Jake found the proof and saved the day.
We were scared, but Emma was brave.
The real thieves will answer for what they did.
Now our family is safe again.
Today we learned that courage and truth can solve big problems.
And families should always stay together. Tell us in the comments where you are watching from. To stay with us, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you!